gaming. Okay, what are we doing today? Because that entry was not so, usable. Well, so if you watched my last video, you should know what this is. It's a mid-2012 MacBook from 2012. And what we're doing with this is we're going to actually upgrade the insides. But not in the way you think. First up, we're going to open this bad boy. But I don't have the screwdriver set. Not until now, baby! Yep, I got a precision screwdriver set just because of this thing. So, let's get to this video. Now, was it a stupid idea to buy an entire screwdriver set just for this video? Yeah. What, did you expect me to say no? Or like say but? I got a bunch of these like picks. I don't know what these are, so comment down below what the hell these are, because I don't know what they are. And as per in this channel, we are not going to take a look at the manual because, I mean, it's a screwdriver. What is the manual going to do? Is it going to teach me how to screw something? We have, damn, this thing's heavy. I thought it was like a piece of paper. Is this like, oh, a magnetic mat. Cool. Anyways, the main attraction, a magnet, baby. Okay. Well, I'm going to find the screwdriver that we need. Is it you? Oh, wow, it is exactly this. So, this is, like, pretty cool. By the way, this is not sponsored by, what was this brand again? Sheridan? It's just their product was pretty cheap, and I think it's going to work well. I do admit, if you're watching this and employee at Sharon, maybe don't shape your screwdrivers to look like pencils. That's a customer suggestion, but I don't know. You do what you do. There's this, like, spinny cap on the top, which I don't know what it is. Where's the magnet? Do you, like, just... Okay, cool. Well, let's open this bad boy up and take a look at what's inside. Boy, these screws are screwed on tight. Oh, boy. I'm not too confident in this because it is... I really hope that these screws are the same size. Because if these go like different sizes, brother, I am not screwing this right if that's the case. Now, we're going to open this, and the plan is I'm going to throw a new SSD in there. Because this thing originally came with 128 gigabytes. Now, in the big 2025, 120 gigabytes is not going to get you anywhere. So, we're going to open this bad boy up and, I guess, moreover, take a look inside and see what the hell is going on inside there. Because I've never looked at the insides of a Mac. Yeah, I know. Crazy, am I right? Are these the same size? Yes, they are the same size. Okay, cool. But for, I'm going to put them in separate piles. Not because this screw size is different, but because... Okay, you know what? I think I found the reason. The reason why this is, like, spinny so you can, like, apply pressure and spin from the... That's pretty smart. Not sponsored, by the way. This is, like... The cheapest option that I could get that still did the job was like $7 on Amazon. Editor me, put the link in the description or something. Please. Thank you. You know, knowing me, I'm probably not going to put it. Just like search Sheridan. This is not sponsored. I know I've said it a lot of times, but YouTube has, you have to say that in YouTube. So just make sure. This isn't sponsored. It's just, this was the, oh my god. Dude, what is this? Why the hell did, oh, here, I'll show it on camera. Hold on. Why the hell did the size jump all of a sudden? Oh, you know what? That's probably because these are like holding the screen. Ah. Okay, this is no, wrong way. Man, this takes a long time, don't it? More long screws coming right up. Oh, man. I don't know why Steve Jobs, or was Steve Jobs alive in like 2012? I don't know. I guess we'll Google that. What's inside this 2012 MacBook? I feel like a lot of people are going to know the answer, but not me. Wow, that is dusty. Okay, well, I guess we'll clean this out. What the hell? Okay, well, this is the panel. This panel makes sense, I guess. But this is just weird. Okay, let's regroup the screws right here. So, where's the SSD? I mean, thankfully I'm recording, so if I mess up something, I can just review the footage. But, like, where's... Oh. This is weird. I don't like this. That's... Oh my god, is that the CPU? No shot. Is that the CPU? If this is the CPU, I will personally meet Steve Jobs. I'm just kidding. Don't kill me, Apple. Please don't send a hitman. This is just a joke. Well, I mean... Okay, I think that's the CPU. This is probably, that's probably like the integrated graphics, because, yes, I didn't ball out. This is like a MacBook with, like, insane integrated graphics. That would be cool, though. So, I gotta say, wow, this is, oh, do not do that. Is this the drive? Hold on. Ow, I just put my ankle in all the screws. Let's hope none of them got lost. I guess we won't know until, please tell me this is an SSD and not like an NVMe drive. Please. Yep, this is an NVMe. What the hell? That was awkward. Toshiba Corporation, made in China. Solid state drive. Oof. Okay, well, this changes the plan, because I thought originally this has just like an SSD, and not like an NVMe drive. Oh my goodness, you know what's funny? I can throw in like in my main setup, I have like a 2 terabyte one of these. Yikes. Okay. Well, now what? I mean, I guess we can still clean this bad boy up, because it desperately needs a cleaning. Okay. Well, this entirely changes the plan, because originally I thought this had like a 128 gigabyte like SSD, not NVMe. I thought it had like originally. Let me get it for you guys. Originally, I thought it was gonna have like one of these, and now that I think of it, it was kind of stupid, because This is in the era, I'm pretty sure, where like NVMe is starting to become popular. But I thought it just had like 128 gigabyte one of these. Like, oh wow, that fits perfectly. Like here, or well, don't count the battery. And then it was here. And I was going to open this, like take this out and throw this one. It's a Nitro Series 512 gigabyte. I was going to throw this on here, but this kind of changes up the plan because I don't have an NVMe. You know, I probably should have Googled that, whether if it does have an SSD. But, okay. Well, this video is... If you're seeing this video, then I probably changed something else. Oh, you know what? Wait, is the RAM integrated? Please tell me the RAM is not integrated. If the RAM is integrated, then this thing's completely fucked. Because, like, even if we aren't going to be able to get away with, like, a 512 gigabyte one, which originally I thought was, like, this type of SSD. Even if we can't do that, then hopefully, fingers crossed, let's hope that, this at least has upgradable RAM. So it has, like, laptop RAM. Alright, memento of truth. Oh, wait, what the hell? Are you different? Okay. I think this is, like, different. No. Oh, I think this is 6 suit. Yeah, that is 6 suit. Okay. Well, I mean, I guess we can disassemble clean and then reassemble this thing. Let's see. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, these are different in sizes. Oh, shit. Okay. So the top ones are the long ones, and the little ones, the short kings. This is broken. Okay, cool. You know, I want to have that first reveal on this fan. This is from 2012, and it's been used a lot. So I just want to see, like, the absolute cake that's going to be there. Because I bet you it is going to be caked up. I probably shouldn't say that. Probably going to get demonetized now. What the hell is this? Okay, that's strange. You know, I'm going to switch this out because I think it is morally wrong to using the wrong set. Here, maybe this set will work. Give me this. Okay. Oh, this is too small. I never thought I would say that. Do you work? Okay, yes. What the hell? A piece just broke off of somewhere. Okay. What's under the batteries? I hope it's not just a keyboard. It's just a keyboard. Okay, cool. Here, let's unplug this. Lord. There. Okay, what do we have here? Wow. This is shockingly clean. Don't get me wrong, it's dirty as hell, but considering that it's been used since 2012, or mid-2012, you know, I should probably check, was this in 2012 or 2011? Yeah, 2012. Mid-2012. This is shockingly clean. Don't get me wrong. Yet again, I say, don't get me wrong. This is dirty as hell. But, considering the years that it's been used, this is shockingly clean. I don't know, the last user, because no, I did not buy this, or, well, technically I did buy it. The last user did not use it in insanely dirty conditions, I guess. Well, what else do we have? We do have the NVMe. I'm just pissed off about the NVMe because I thought we were going to be able to throw in... I thought it was going to be like an SSD, like, I don't know, here. And we're just going to be able to throw in like a new SSD and get like 512 gigs, but this is not... this is not what I was planning. Okay, well... Time to take off this fan, because I want to see the fan. These screws are like shockingly crispy. You know, I thought this was gonna have like 2 fans, because this line is basically like on the panel here. It shows that this is the line where like all the exhaust comes out. And 1 fan, and that's it. It is shockingly, where else? Oh, there's a tiny, tiny screw on here. Boy, not even my precision set might be able to get that, because it is just so tiny. What's the tiniest one I have? Okay. We might be able to. Might be in keyword. Oh my goodness. It barely works. Okay. Dude, get out. Get out of there, man. You know what? Screw it. I'm just going to pull the entire motherboard out. Oh, wait. Oops. Where else is there screws? Let's see what she do. You know, since the screws, Apple, I swear, next time you make a MacBook, please make sure that you make the screws white if the motherboard is black, or make the screws black if the motherboard is white. It is insanely hard to see black screws on a black motherboard. For you guys, it might not look so hard because y'all are watching from a high quality camera, but from someone that games 24/7, it does become pretty hard. Oh, I think, oh, we're lifting. We're near liftoff. Where else is there a screw? Oh, there it was. There's one. Are these the speakers? I think these are like the speakers. Yeah, these are the speakers. Okay, well, lift off. What is keeping it in? Are these screws related? Hold on, let's... Oh, wow, that's just too big. Give me this one. This one better work. Now we're too large. Come on. Wow, those screws are tight. I'm starting to lose track on what screws go where, which is not a good sign. Come on. Okay. There you go. Yes. There we go. Oh, wait a minute. Okay. We're one screw away from being able to lift the motherboard up. How dirty do you guys think it's gonna be? I'm betting my money on extremely dirty. It's still not lifting off. There is literally no other screws on here. Why the hell is this still not? Dude, can you please get out? Come on, man. I don't want to do... I know I can just watch a YouTube tutorial. I don't want to. Come on, man. Come on. Okay, I'm seriously, like, questioning what the hell's going on. It's not the middle. Oh, wait. Hold on. We take the massive pads that probably... Oh, this is connected. Okay, I can't do this. Hold on. Let me get, my... Hell yeah. Okay, how do we pull this thing out without completely destroying? Dude, I've shaved my... I cut my nails before this, but it was a horrible mistake, because I like, badly need my nails. Okay, so you are connected with... What the hell? Do I pull you out with just... Let's see. Okay, well, I mean, I guess we don't have to remove the wire. We'll just have to... Dude, Apple, why the hell do you make it so hard to just do this? It's like it's stuck and it does not want to move. Okay, hold on, let me see. Maybe I will get better precision if I do it this way. Okay, we're making some progress. Why are these speakers glued? What the actual... Oh, I can take the monitor. I can take this screen off. Let's do that. There we go. Oh, it does not like doing this. Ooh, I don't like this. I don't like this. I do not like this. What the what in the actual hell, dog? Okay, there's one. Okay, now I would love to pull the other wire, but it is just caked. It is way too deep in there. I can pull this one out as well. Oh, that probably requires... No, it's just... It feels horrible doing that. I do not like it. Okay. To make a deal with the devil. We're gonna remove the monitor and hopefully not completely obliterate this. Hopefully. These wires are so hard. Here, let me take... I'm sorry that you guys can't see anything, but there's just not enough space on the table. And it is way better for me to do it like this. So you will see it in a second once I take the monitor off. Here's the, I think this is like the internet and I think this is the Bluetooth Wi-Fi card. Oh no, I broke it. Did I break it? Oh no, never mind. That wire is supposed to come off. Ugh, that felt terrible. God. I'm sorry you're not seeing the action. It's just, it's not that interesting. And it's kind of difficult to do, so. Why the hell is this not coming off? What is this tape? Can't grab it. My nails are not here. Okay. Oh, okay. There is the monitor successfully taken off. Now you guys are going to see the action again, because it is free again. Do you now come off? Come on, please, come off. Oh, I got it. Got it. No, I don't got it. What is this? Oh. Oh. Okay, well, we're just gonna keep that there so I can get the fan out. Oh, there's another screw. Oh, okay, now that makes sense. Final screw coming out. I forgot which one of these was. Oh, never mind. It was these. Fan is officially out. I said officially out. Hey, you know what? Considering what fans look like, this is not that caked. Which is annoying because I really wanted to cut. Is there a way that this can open? Here, I'm gonna open this so that we can clean it out. These are so ridiculously tiny. Oh, you know what? I should probably do it in frame. These screws are so ridiculously tiny. I need a magnifying glass just to, like, look at the screws. There we go. One more left, I suppose. Well, I mean, even if it isn't going to be me upgrading the MacBook, I guess it's just going to be a cool video of... Hey, not so bad. I'll show it for the camera. Not so bad. Okay, let me go and get my super awesome tool. Alright, time to clean this bad boy beyond recognition. There we go. Nice and clean. Let's clean this guy up too. Oh my goodness. Wow. This is not horrible. That is extremely shocking. I am still pissed off that there's no RAM slots. Is there? Here, can we take the motherboard out? Please, let me take the motherboard out. Come on, man. Come on. It looks like it wants me to pull it from, like, the... I hate you, Apple. God. Why is this so difficult? There is no need for this difficulty. Come on, Apple. You're better than this. I'm gonna have to take the heat sink off. Oh. Oops. No, but seriously, is this the RAM? No, sure. I think this is the RAM. That would make more sense. Because if this is the RAM, okay, I do admit we are slightly cooked because there is no RAM slots on this thing. No upgradability whatsoever. I mean, don't get me wrong, it's just I had the wrong SSD type, but still. There. Yeah, this is the SSD. Or, no, this is the... Holy, what else is there? Goodness gracious, it just doesn't end. Let me have the motherboard. Okay, I'm not gonna take this one out because it feels horrible. Oh, it just... Okay, man. Oh, that doesn't feel so good. Wow. That is disgusting. Very nice. Very nice. Guess we can clean this up. Why the hell is the speakers more disgusting than the fan? Oh no. All the screws went, all the screws got attached to the screwdriver. Oh, Okay. Good. Anyways. Get out. Oh my goodness. There we go. Oh crap. Hold on. There we go. And that is the motherboard. There's our USB, there's our USB. Oh crap. There's our SD card slot. There's our something slot. I don't know. That's crusty, but it could be worse. Okay. Wait, hold on. Just to clarify, I'm gonna put this into my main computer and see. Okay, yeah. It's the exact same type as my main computer, which is pretty sad, not gonna lie. Well, we just busted this thing wide open for absolutely no reason. So, hooray, I guess. I don't know. What the hell is this? What the hell? Okay, cool, man. Cool, man. Here, let's open the heatsink and take a look at that. Crusty. Let's see. Ooh, she's crusty. There we go. Nice and not so brand new. Well, I mean, I'm kind of pissed off that, Here, let me clean out the speaker as well. Feels like I'm breaking it. And if you know what I'm talking about, that's not a good feeling. Here's the speaker. Time for a mass cleanup. Well, I'm going to reassemble this, but thank you for watching. This is pretty much the end of the video. You can go off now. You've been allowed permission, but before, make sure to subscribe. I'm really trying to hit that 10 subscriber goal. So, and to those that are subscribed to me, thank you very much. I really love it. So, yeah, that's pretty much it. Oh, you know what? I'm going to give you guys one last treat before we eventually end this video. We're going to clean this bad boy. Don't forget to wipe your backside. Now, speaking of backside. Wow, this is shockingly light. I can see the dust flying off of this thing. This is disgusting. Okay. Now time to clean that grill. There we go. Nice. Fully clean. As well, as clean as it can be. So I'm going to reassemble this, but this is pretty much the end of the video. So thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one, probably. Or hopefully, actually. So, yeah. That's pretty much it. I don't really know what else to say. To those that are subscribed, thank you again. Well, I mean, sadly, we were going to upgrade it, but this is not the right, one, I guess you could say. So, you know, now that I'm looking at this, this is pretty clean. This is pretty dirty. Let's just do a little bit of a... There we go. There we go. So, yeah. Thank you for watching. Or, you know what? Let's put this thing back together. So, if you left, thank you for listening, I guess. But if you're still here, thank you for not listening. So, I don't know. Do I just shove this back on it? Yes. That is in fact how you do it. It's fucking cool, man. Cool. Speaker, the next one going on. There we go. It's on there safe and sound. You know, let's probably assemble all the things that go on the motherboard right now. Let me try to stay away from the CPUs. Hard as possible, but... I think this is the RAM. Because I don't see any other RAM. Oh, you know what? It's probably this. Yeah, it's these. These are the RAM. Let's see. Yep. That's the RAM. And there's the RAM. So, let's just put the SD card, or SSD, or NVMe back on. Boy, this setup sure is getting dirty. Where's the screw for this? Crap. I forgot where I left the... Was this the screw? I hope that this is the screw, because I have no idea, I'm going to be honest with you. Where's my magnet? My magnet took a bunch of my screws and then left. Fucking cool, man. Cool. Thank you, magnet. You will always have a place in my heart, I guess. Wait, this has 2 screw spots. Or is it just one? Yeah, it's just one. Okay. Now, let's assemble this bad boy. Tighten her up. There's one thing down. Wait, there's a wire missing. There was like a wire here. Where's that wire? No, dude. Oh, there it is. Okay. Thank God. I thought we were about to lose like a piece, and we were just gonna risk everything. Okay, it is like this, so we're gonna keep it like this. Now this is something. I'm gonna be honest with you. I have no idea what the hell this does. There's probably a reason why Apple put it on there. Oh. You know what? I think I'd rip that part off. I think that part came with the CPU cooler. Is this the CPU cooler? I think it is. Makes sense. Okay, well, we can't put this right now exactly. Can we? Hold on. I think you went here, so thank you for your cooperation. Thank you, or actually no. Thank you for getting off of this thing. No, please get back on. This feels bad. This feels wrong. Ew, no, my finger touched it. Oh. Okay, now it feels more correct. Right? I have no idea what I'm doing. Man, the Indians... I need the Indians, like, I need the Indian YouTube tutorials. This is too hard for my brain to compensate. Or comprehend, rather. My grammar's breaking. It's totally... I 100% need the Indian YouTube tutorial to save me from this absolute mess. Do we need this part? I feel like we don't need that, but... I mean, yet again, I do say that on a lot of parts, and then I realize, oh, shoot, we actually did need that. So, we're just going to not. There's a port here, and it's not... It doesn't have anything plugged in. That is suspicious, and I don't like it. Because usually, if you're... Man, I don't like this. I don't like this at all. It's fine, it's fine. Let's put these on there. Good God. These wires are going to be so difficult to put on there. Ow. Something just went into my arm. Like an ant or something. Dude, this is like weird. It's because I have the screws. I just mixed all the screws. That was a horrible idea. Okay, let's just keep going with this. How do I put you on there? Here, do it like this. Strategic, bend it until it goes in. Come on. Come on, I know you want to go in there. Wait, what? Hold on. This is so excruciatingly difficult. Oh crap. There's like parts of it that are like bending up. No, don't bend upwards. I need you to be working. Because I don't know anything about this, yet alone wire. Dude, Apple, I swear you make these wires so difficult. I'm gonna get... I'm suffering from the inside. This is like some jank. Okay, well, I'm gonna pause the video and I'm gonna just assemble this bad boy till it's again on there. You know, very good, very good. So, be right back in like, for you, like a second. For me, in like, I don't know, like an hour. I'm finally done. That was excruciatingly painful. Please. God. Jesus. Well, now time for the main panel. And just fit on there, please. What the hell's wrong with you now? Come on. Come on. Yes. Yes. Cool. Okay. Okay. Now let's put on the big screws. After the big screws, we're going to... Oh, wait, right. This is in 6. Wait, it's 5. Now. Do she work? Oh, wait, this is too small. Okay, what about now? Okay, now it works. So, oh, oops. So now, we just do a little bit of pushino, rotatino, not working, you know? Why is it not? There we go. There we go. That is not coming off. Now, we do a little bit of this. Rotate, rotate, rotate. Is this even working? Hope it is. You're not gonna see it. I'm sorry for the audience. Y'all are not gonna see anything, but I have to like really look deep. Yes. There we go. Now, that's not going anywhere. Time for the other screws. You know, this video has made me appreciate people that do laptop repairs. I'm going to be honest, this is extremely difficult and not so user-friendly. There we go. There's this slight bulge, which slightly annoys me. Oh, you know what? It's probably because this is not hard. Okay. That bulge is gonna annoy me forever till the end of time, but it will be okay. I hope. Okay. Final screws going on there. You know what? Now I insanely appreciate laptop mechanics or laptop repairs, because this is excruciatingly painful and difficult, especially if it's a Mac. I swear, Apple, you know, ever heard of a thing called, what was it, the right to repair? I think that was what it was called. Yeah, the right to repair. You know, Apple, you should study that. Of course, I mean, don't get me wrong. The chances of people fixing their own MacBooks and the chances of people fixing their own phone or like their own MacBook is pretty low, but I mean, come on, man. Even we might not repair our own stuff, but don't make it difficult for the people that's their job to repair stuff. Like, it's just shady. Considering they have people. Okay, that's not going any deeper, and I don't want to completely obliterate the screw. So, that is where it's staying. Why are these screws so difficult? Uh-oh. I have an extra screw. Oh, thankfully, it's just... Okay, oh, I see. I missed the one on the top. Hold on, let me just quickly screw this bad boy in. There we go. Nice. Oh, crap. I dropped my screw. Oh, boy. Alright. Time to find it. Be right back. Okay. We are screwed back on. Do she work? Let's hope it does. Because if it doesn't, I'm throwing this straight into the trash. Hey, screen power's on. That's a good sign. Look. Okay. Oh yeah, you know, I did upgrade this from Windows 7 to Windows 10. It was just some things did not support Windows 7, so had to upgrade. If you know what I'm saying. Or yeah. That's just the Windows 8 wallpaper because I had to do the notorious task of just keep on upgrading. But aside from that, just Windows 10. Okay, well, at least it works. So, that concludes today's video. Or, it might not even be today's. Might be tomorrow's. I don't know when this is going to get posted, but it's going to get posted sometime. So, my next video is probably going to be on this. Or, if you just watched this video and you change here, then I probably posted this tomorrow, or tomorrow from today, and I posted this video first. So, yeah.